Greetings and welcome. Here is footage right after I combed my locks out. My hair was very damaged and thin, so I braided it right away and I wanted to hide that damage. I could tell my braids were much thinner than they used to be. I wanted to feel some weight on them, so I added some extensions and then I added some beads just so I could feel those braids move around. Here is the braid out, and you can tell my hair has been damaged and broken off. It is very thin at the ends, and this has no shape, no nothing. Continuing to hide the damage, I decided to do the tree braid. I've been wanting to do this forever, so why not do it now? What I am doing to attach the tree braid is using 3 sections: the fake hair as 2 sections folded in half, and my hair in the middle as the third section. Braid those 3 sections together about 2 braids down, then stop, take out one piece of the extension hair, pull it to the side, and use those remaining 2 pieces to make 3 pieces and braid all the way down, using my hair in the middle so it's never shared, just remaining one piece as you see. Keeping my hair in one piece is protecting the hair and also making it easy to take these out. I would just slide the braid right down my hair. Here is the hair all finished. It's a very beautiful style, but I am really trying to make myself like it. I'm not really liking it 100, but it's done and I've done all this work. It's gonna stay up for at least 3 days because honestly, 3 days is all I could take. I'm feeling like the hair is way too thick. Now, if this was all really my hair, it wouldn't be too thick. But this is way too thick for this extension hair, and I'm liking the braids, how my real hair is braided in between, and it's making me just want to do some braids or individual twists like I would always do. One thing about this curl pattern is these curls do get very tangled and matted quickly. I have to constantly finger detangle to keep it nice. By the third day, I started thinning out this style. I couldn't take all the weight of that hair. It was irritating and annoying. I took out the back section and twisted my real hair up under there, and you could hardly tell that is what's going on. It just looks like a more natural style now. This footage right here, I think I was totally over it. I believe I have started to pull all of this hair out, call it a day, and twist my real hair up under this. It's already parted in sections, and that's how I ended up with my mini twist.